What's up, Anchor Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. My friends, is it is the last day of month. On the last day of month, the people doing a very big mistake. My friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so absolutely you're in the loss, because at this time the Anchor coin is completely going down, my friends. Completely fast down occurring the Anchor coin. Now it is the last time of a month, so that's why the price is going down. But I hope that the future is very bright of the Anchor coin. Don't lose hope, and it's time to hold, my friends. Anyways, let's move on. We discuss the mystic of Anchor coin. We discuss the next future of the Anchor coin. Keep watch this video till the end for better understanding. And I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now this time the latest price of the Anchor coin is 0.106369 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Anchor. On the other side, if you look at the price changes occurring in the Anchor coin, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, except after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 week price changes occurring in the Anchor coin is going positive. That's why I'm feeling very happy, as I know it is the temporary fast. So after some time they will again take a jump. Let me show you friends the price chart. Wow, my friends, unbelievable jumps occur on an Anchor coin, my friends. You can see now on the screen, and that is the last 3 days price chart of the Anchor coin. In a previous last 1 day they fast down, after second day take a jump, again take a jump, my friends. Now that's means from the yesterday, from the previous last 2 days, the jumping time of the Anchor coin are starts now. So my friends, I hope and I'm satisfied about that the Anchor coin will continue this jump for a long time, for 10 days, for 15 days, for 2 weeks. Maybe they continue this term for a long time, for 1 month. What do you think? We can't say what the future, my friends. Maybe they take a jump. In my prediction about Anchor coin is 100% positive. Now at this time the people decide to sell, my friends. Why you decide to sell, my friends? Now at this time it is the start of a new month. In the start of new month there is a lot of chances to take a jump, my friends. So that is why I suggest for everyone it's perfect time to hold, my friends. Don't decide to sell, it's time to hold. What do you think, my friends? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.